Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you very much for being with me today as I go over information about Operation Child Protector 4. But before I do that, I first and foremost want to extend my heartfelt words for the state of Israel and all of the people there that are the victims of the Hamas terrorists. I've heard them referred to other things. They are murdering terrorists, and that's exactly what they are. So for those in the media, if someone suggests to you that they're just militants, that is absolutely false. They're murdering, torturing terrorists, and the people of Israel and all of the victims have been in my prayers from the very beginning and will continue to be in my prayers. Quite frankly, I'm sorry that I can't be there shoulder to shoulder fighting the terrorists with them, but I can assure you that we're going to do everything possible in our homeland to protect the Jewish people from any attacks and any other people from any attacks. That is absolutely unacceptable. And I don't have words strong enough for my anger toward this terrorist attack upon the people of Israel.